Sorry for that, Bios Baptist Church. There was a fire drill and we had to abandon the facility. And in the process of that evacuation, one of the cameras, particularly the one that's shining on me in this pulpit, got knocked over. So if anything, the scene may look a little readjusted and darker. They are adjusting it now. Can I go up now? Thank you. We don't have sound anymore. Where was I? Okay, I was on my closing. But, okay, in closing, I would like to leave you with the fact. Don't let your pain and your suffering, your anger and your emotions carry over into the New Year's. Don't let all of your hostility carry over. Drop it. These people that you see in 10, they blame Moses for what he did. Moses was trying to help them. Moses was getting them to the promised land. Moses was taking them to the promised land. And instead they appreciated it. They were very hostile towards him. As I say unto you tonight, don't do that. Okay? Amen? Amen. So, the presence of the Lord is very strong here this New Year's Eve. And now it's time for our New Year's countdown. We don't have the bell. The bell is not working. As you see, that thing I just threw out of this pulpit, that was a laptop that had the bell on it. You know why I threw it out of here? It wasn't working. Bios Baptist Church has the one mistake law. When you make a mistake at Bios Baptist Church, we do that. Not mistakes, the stubbornness, hard-headedness, repetitive hard-headedness. We don't call texts, we throw you out. So be careful when you want to come here and be rude. Just saying, drop it. And we're going to drop that too within 15 seconds because after this comes New Year. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! It is now 12 a.m., January 1st, 2018. Go in peace and may God be the glory. Rest, rule, and abide in us at this time and forevermore. May all of God's people say, Amen. Somebody did that on purpose.